Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the town of Cowley, Alberta, a hidden gem nestled in the southwestern part of the province. Situated in the beautiful foothills of the Rocky Mountains, Cowley is surrounded by breathtaking natural landscapes that offer a perfect backdrop for outdoor adventures. The town of Cowley was named after Matthew Cowley, a respected rancher who settled in the area in the late 1800s. His contributions to the development of the region played a significant role in shaping the community, and his legacy lives on in the town's name. Despite its small size, Cowley has a lot to offer, from its beautiful natural surroundings to its rich history and vibrant community spirit. Whether you're visiting for a short time or considering a longer stay, Cowley is a place where you can experience the true essence of rural Alberta living. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Cowley, Alberta. Thanks for watching.